Deep in the tangled forests of Southeast Asia, two legendary reptiles slither through the thick underbrush. The air is hot and heavy, birds scatter, monkeys chatter nervously in the treetops above. The stage is set for a rare and dramatic showdown, King Cobra versus Reticulated Python. It's a meeting that rarely happens in the wild, but when it does, it's a true battle of giants. Imagine the tension as these two top predators cross paths. One is known for its deadly venom, the other for its crushing strength. The King Cobra, with its iconic hood and icy stare, faces the Reticulated Python, a massive serpent coiled in silent power. Both are masters of their domain, but only one can be king of the jungle tonight. Why do these encounters capture our imaginations? Maybe it's because they bring together two different worlds, speed versus strength, venom versus muscle. It's a moment where nature's most powerful designs collide in a test of survival. Let's step into their world and learn more about these impressive creatures before the battle begins. Which snake has the edge? Let's find out. The King Cobra is the world's longest venomous snake, sometimes reaching over 18 feet in length. Found across India and Southeast Asia, it prefers dense forests and bamboo thickets, where it hunts with patience and skill. The King Cobra is famous for its hood, a wide flap of skin behind its head that it flares when threatened, making it look even more intimidating. But this snake isn't just about looks. The King Cobra's venom is strong enough to kill an elephant. Its fangs inject neurotoxins that can stop a heart or paralyze prey within minutes. It can raise a third of its body off the ground and look a grown person straight in the eye. It even growls by forcing air through its throat, sending a deep, warning hiss across the forest floor. King Cobras are smart, too. Researchers have seen them use strategy to hunt, following the smell of other snakes, their favorite food. They can remember territory, avoid danger, and even build nests for their eggs, something almost no other snake does. With its deadly venom, unique intelligence, and commanding presence, the King Cobra is truly the royalty of the snake world. But how does it compare to its rival, the Reticulated Python? The Reticulated Python is the world's longest snake, often growing over 20 feet in length. Some giants have even topped 30 feet. This python is covered in beautiful, net-like patterns, hence the name reticulated, and moves silently through the rivers, swamps, and forests of Southeast Asia. Pythons are not venomous. Instead, they are masters of stealth and power. When hunting, the reticulated python waits patiently, blending into its surroundings. It uses its heat-sensing pits to detect warm-blooded prey like deer, pigs, or even monkeys. With a lightning-fast strike, it grabs its meal and coils around it, squeezing tighter every time the prey exhales. This snake's strength is legendary. The muscles in a full-grown reticulated python can easily overpower a pig or a goat. Unlike the King Cobra, the python doesn't need to bite repeatedly. It just needs a good grip and patience as it crushes the life out of its prey. Silent, strong, and incredibly patient, the reticulated python is a force of nature. But how do its abilities stack up against the King Cobra's venom and speed? Let's break down the main strengths of each snake. First, size. The reticulated python wins here, growing much longer and heavier than the King Cobra. A giant python can weigh more than 250 pounds, while a big cobra might reach 40 pounds at most. That's a massive difference in bulk and power. When it comes to speed, the King Cobra is faster on land. It can move at up to 12 miles per hour in short bursts. Its strikes are lightning quick, delivering venom in a fraction of a second. The python, while not as fast, makes up for it with patience and perfect timing. It rarely misses its target when it strikes. Weapons are where things get interesting. The King Cobra's biggest weapon is its venom, a potent mix of neurotoxins. One bite can kill an animal in minutes. The reticulated python has no venom but uses pure muscle power. Its coils can create enough pressure to stop a human heart in seconds. Both snakes are intelligent in their own ways. The King Cobra uses memory and problem-solving to hunt. The python has amazing camouflage and can sense body heat from a distance. In a fight, both would need to use every bit of skill they have. With such different strengths, the outcome of a battle would depend on many factors: size, speed, surprise, and even luck. Picture a quiet night in the jungle. The king cobra is hunting for its usual meal, another snake. Suddenly it crosses a massive reticulated python, resting after a recent meal. Both sense the other's presence. The king cobra rears up, hood flared, and hisses loudly. The python coils tighter, ready to defend itself. At first, the king cobra tries to intimidate. It strikes quickly, aiming for the python's head or neck. Venom drips from its fangs, but the python is strong and thick-skinned. It dodges, then lunges, wrapping powerful coils around the cobra's body. Each snake is using its best weapon, the cobra with speed and venom, the python with strength and endurance. The fight is intense and dangerous. If the cobra lands a bite, python could be in trouble. But if the python manages to catch the cobra in its coils, it could crush the cobra before the venom takes full effect. Both snakes are fighting for their lives, and neither wants to give up. It's a deadly dance, and the outcome could go either way. In nature, these battles are rare, but when they happen, they are unforgettable. Let's look closer at their main weapons. The king cobra's venom is its deadliest tool. When it bites, neurotoxins attack the victim's nervous system, muscles stop working, and breathing becomes impossible. For smaller prey, death comes quickly. But, a huge python has a lot of muscle and body mass, so it might take longer for the venom to work, sometimes too long if the python reacts fast. On the other hand, the reticulated python uses constriction. After grabbing its target, it wraps its coils tightly, squeezing with incredible force. This cuts off blood flow and air, causing unconsciousness in seconds. Even large animals can't escape once a python locks on. Scientists say that if a cobra bites first, the python could die from venom, but only if the bite hits a vital spot. If the python gets a good grip first, the cobra might be crushed before it can do more damage. It's all about speed, accuracy, and honestly, a bit of luck. In a real fight, both snakes' weapons are deadly. It's a true battle of nature's best designs. Herpetologists, or snake experts, have studied both species for years. Many agree that each snake has a chance depending on the situation. Dr. Brian Fry, a venom specialist, says that king cobras are more aggressive when threatened and might strike first. But he also notes that large pythons are tough and can survive a cobra's bite for several minutes. Other experts point out that size matters. A giant python could crush a cobra quickly, but if the cobra is fast and smart, it might land a perfect bite. In the wild, most fights end with one snake escaping. Both are cautious, and neither wants to risk death unless absolutely necessary. There have been rare reports of king cobras killing and eating pythons, especially young or smaller ones. But there are also stories of big pythons overpowering cobras. Nature is unpredictable, and every encounter is different. The experts agree. In a fair fight, it's almost impossible to predict a winner every time. King cobras and reticulated pythons are both incredible predators. Each has evolved to be the best at what it does. The king cobra is a master of venom and speed, while the reticulated python rules with power and stealth. Both are survivors, perfectly adapted to their environment. It's important to remember that these snakes rarely fight in real life. They usually avoid each other unless they feel threatened or are very hungry. When they do meet, the fight is dangerous for both. Often, the stronger, or luckier, snake wins. But nature doesn't play favorites. Both species are threatened by habitat loss and human activity. Protecting them means respecting their power and their place in the wild. We should marvel at their abilities, not fear or harm them. In the end, both snakes are champions in their own right. Their showdown is a reminder of how amazing and complex nature can be. So, who do you think would win, a venomous king cobra or a powerful reticulated python? It's a question that sparks debate among snake fans and scientists alike. The truth is, both are remarkable in their own ways. Each snake brings something unique to the jungle, and each deserves our respect. The next time you see a picture or video of these incredible reptiles, remember their story. They are survivors, hunters, and silent rulers of their world. Whether it's the king cobra's hypnotic hood or the python's massive coils, it's clear that nature never stops surprising us. Maybe you'll even want to learn more about snakes, their habitats, and how we can protect them. After all, every jungle needs its champions. And Stoker's Steinstopperidebekrøy. Both the King Cobra and Reticulated Python have earned their crowns. Would you root for speed and venom, or strength and stealth? Let us know what you think, and keep exploring the wild world around you.